Okay, it'd be nice if there was a pinch notice on this little guard gate here. We're in the elevator. I don't inspect elevators. But on a day like today, I'm hauling things up to the 3rd floor. I thought I would just give it a try. There we are. How about that? Now this elevator will not operate for anybody as long as that gate's open. Just kind of heads up on that. We're coming out here. We're on the 3rd floor, like the elevator told it. Observation platform balcony thing. Have continuous soffit baffles. Rain gutters above and below grade. Now you can look out this door high and see me. I see that that's leaking, so I'm not going to knock that. Can't use the camera pole because we got all this trampoline stuff going here. So our rooftop observations are going to be kind of limited. Grampy just doesn't have that much mountain goat in him. I was speaking with the listing agent. She let me in here and she said that there's been a lot of repairs done to the roof. I don't read that as the same thing as being replaced. Okay, see the underlayment? It's supposed to go over the drip edge flashing. And then the drip edge goes because water cascades. It's getting kind of rough. And then the drip edge flashing is supposed to cascade over the rain gutter, and it doesn't do that. It doesn't look like it's draining very well right around here. We got buckling on the vent stacks. See behind the vent stacks right there? Right behind the vent stacks, right there, and right there. Okay, water sits in that, and then it's going to wear out to vent stacks. Also, these pipes are stretched, meaning that they stick out farther than the gaskets, so they're not painted. And when they're not painted like that, that means the reason why they're painted is to protect them from the UV rays of the sun. Got some scuff marks in this valley over here where they were squirreling themselves up, and I don't blame them for squirreling themselves up. I'd squirrel up too. But we got some rough shingles right over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. About 11 shingles that got some wind damage over there. I can't turn around and show you. Oh, I'll show you. We'll get around there. This is all the roof I'm going to see. I might as well see what I can see as good as I can see it. Might as well do that. danglers, my dangling participles are caught in the ladder. Got some separation of the freeze board right here. Signs of structural movement. That in and of itself is not a big deal. See all that? See all that damage right in there? And you see these horizontal lines? Right, second course right there and there, that's wind damage. The shingle's been blown back.